Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Beautiful Soup series. So, Beautiful Soup, it has a lot of things that work for us. So this is going to be a little bit of a merge, but I really want us to get into it and see what it can do. So we're going to work with a Beautiful Soup object today. So from BS4 import, well, let's just import Beautiful Soup and we'll look at it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one video at a time. Dir BS4 Beautiful Soup. And we're going to look at this Beautiful Soup object. So let's look and see what it does. So help BS4. This always scares me. Let me see if I can spell this correctly on my first go round. Oh, this is a lot of stuff. So like I said, we're gonna borrow some things from the documentation, but I want you to just kind of we're gonna dip our toe into some of the things that this object can just take care of for us. So we're going to take this in, we're going to bring in a HTML string. So we're going to bring this in. So all right, come on over here. So all right, so we're going to change this up so we don't have to type all this. So from Beautiful Soup import Beautiful Soup as Beautiful Soup. All right, I like to do abbreviations. All right, so now we're going to bring in this string, and I'll have this down in the comment section below. So like I said, so all right, here's an HTML. We have a header, a title. We know this. We've seen through our Django. And right now, it's not really doing much. That's not what I wanted to do. Let's bring this down here. So now, all right, let's put this into memory. Let's create a soup object, a Beautiful Soup object, and then look at some of the stuff that we can do. All right. So we got soup equals Beautiful Soup. And we're going to pass our HTML doc, our string, and it's going to be able to understand what we want to do. HTML underscore doc. And then what do we want to do with it? We are going to HTML parse. Let me look at my notes. HTML parser. All right. Did not put that in memory. So there we go. All right. So now I call soup. Looks exactly the same. Now let's check out one of these very cool. So let's bring in our soup object. Ooh. Now we're looking for, what is it? Prettify. Yeah, soup.prettify, and it's so here, check this out. Print soup dot prettify. Now check this out. So it actually can I bring it? There we go. Perfect. Okay. It fits in the window. So this is just, it completely understands and puts this into form. So as you can see, we'll be able to move this in and out. Now, one thing that, again, this can get very complicated very, very quickly. So there's a feature that we're going to need to start bringing this. All this does is analyze the text. All right. So now next what we're going to do is we're going to begin. I just want to wet your whistle and kind of intrigue you, because now we're going to, I know we went through a lot right here. I know it. But I don't want to spoon feed too much. I want us to start jumping in and getting into the meat of things, because very soon, well, one, we need to understand that we're going to need to pair this with request to go out to the internet, bring it in, and they are going to work together, because we need to get to the web pages. Because right here, I just had this in memory, and I just went and grabbed it and pulled it. That's not going to be realistic. So next video, and we're going to get more complicated, and we're going to go out, start pulling things down, and start being able to pull things out. So yeah. We'll do that. I hadn't looked at the notes exactly, the order, what we're going to do, but yes, we're going to start jumping into this very quickly. And there's already been a couple awesome requests of things to do. So we will be doing that. So you can see the comments down below, the things that I'm kind of thinking about in the last 2 videos. So as always, guys, please drop those comments, video requests, any comments or questions, because look, if you have that question, somebody else does. So help this community out and ask that question. All right. And as always, thank you for watching. We have a ton of new subscribers. I greatly appreciate it. We did the stream today. Had a little bumps along the road at the end. My voice is going out. I need to start drinking some tea and honey. But can't tell you guys thank you enough. So thanks again, and see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.